Steel comes back alive, sparks light up the night. Every bolt, every wire brings the power back to life.